Hey guys, today on Simply Mercy B, we are making a loaded cornbread. When I tell you loaded, this cornbread is loaded. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients we're going to need for our cornbread. We're going to need some shredded cheese. And back here I have 2.5 cups of buttermilk. We need 3 eggs. We have some bacon back there that I need to crumble. We're going to spice things up with some jalapeños. We need some oil to make everything nice and moist. We have 1 can of creamed corn. We have 3 cups of cornmeal. And we're going to make it a little bit sweet with 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to bake everything off in our cast iron skillet. And we already have a few pats of butter in there that we're going to go ahead and put into the oven so it can get warm. And we're going to go ahead and get our skillet into the oven so our butter can go ahead and get heated up. Go ahead and start by giving our bacon a rough chop. We want to break these pieces down. Now you can just run a knife through your bacon, or you can put them in a food processor and blend them up. But I feel like I have more control by giving them a rough chop, because I want some big chunks in my cornbread. To put our cornbread together, we're going to go ahead and mix all our dry ingredients. We have 3 cups of cornmeal here, and here are 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to give them a good little whisk. Guys, this is so easy and quick to put together, but it's so tasty. We're going to go ahead and drop our crumbled bacon into this mixture. Get it mixed in there. Now we're going to set this to the side, and we're going to go ahead and work on our wet ingredients. We have our 2.5 cups of buttermilk. To that we're going to add our oil. And in this bowl I have cracked the 3 eggs, and we're going to put those right in. We want to get these ingredients blended up well. And we're going to take our dry ingredients, and we're going to pour these wet ingredients right on top of there. And at this point, this is a basic cornbread minus the bacon. Like to go ahead and get that whisk in. And make sure you have already heated up your cast iron skillet. So we can put this. So we're going to switch over to a spoon, because now we're ready to add the thing that's going to load this cornbread up. We have our creamed corn. Give it a whirl. Let's get our jalapeños in there. Indeed, and the jalapeños that I have here, this a medium heat. Okay, just gonna get those in there. Get them all stirred up. And lastly, we want to add our shredded cheese. And please take the time to shred your own cheese, it makes the dish just that much better. Take a look at that. Is that loaded or what? Wow. Can't wait to taste that. That is a nice batter. Okay, we're going to bring our cast iron skillet open. We're going to put this in a 425 degrees oven, and we're going to bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, we just pulled our hot cast iron skillet from the oven. We're going to add our batter straight into our skillet. We're going to place this into a 425 degrees oven for 30 minutes. Guys, our cornbread is straight from the oven. Take a look at that. So now I'm going to simply take some butter. Just have a little butter here that I'm just going to rub right on top of my cornbread. You want to put it on here while your cornbread is still hot. Y'all, I can see the bacon, the jalapeños, the cheese. Oh wow, it is loaded. We have allowed our cornbread to cool. I've been nibbling on this one over here. When I first tried to cut it, it was much too hot. It was falling apart. Look how moist that cornbread is. Take a look at that. It is so delicious, guys. Take a look at it. Moist. You are absolutely going to love this one. If you're looking for a cornbread with a little more weight to it, this loaded cornbread is definitely a winner. Please give it a try. Leave me some comments down below and let me know if you tried this recipe and how well did you like it. What did you change about it? And let me tell you, the jalapenos are not hot because I got the medium heat jalapenos to put in there, and they was perfect. It's a great balance. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, please. And always remember to keep life simple, and we will see you on the next one. Bye for now. Make that cornbread.